I wanted to be part of something big, something that helps my community, something that helps my country.
If you really think about life as we know it and say, how would life be different without electricity?
There's not like a me first. There's truly no I. There's just a team.
You know, I've made some great friendships here.
I wish they knew how comfortable it is to be here.
When I get up in the morning and flip that light switch on, I think Prolec GE Waukesha. When I switch it off, I think the same thing.
I've been loyal to this company because they've been loyal to me. They've had faith in me. They have supported me.
Hello, I'm Troy Kabrick. I'm the Director of Power Operations here in the U.S. for Prolec. I've been with the company for the last 20 years. Here, Prolec GE Waukesha, we produce power transformers at 2 locations, the largest being in Waukesha, Wisconsin. I have a facility there that's about 500,000 square feet. Builds power transformers ranging from 10 MVA to 700 MVA, up to 345 kV. We have a second site in Goldsboro, North Carolina, about 170,000 square feet facility there. Building transformers about 10 MVA to 60 MVA, up to 230 kV. So really the fundamental responsibility of a power transformer is to transform voltage from a generation source and then transform it again when it gets to the load source. And by being able to transform voltage, it allows for very economical transport of electrical energy. The one thing that I wish everybody would know is just how important the work that we do here is to society.
Hi, I'm Tiffany Lucas. I am the Materials Development Engineer in Research and Development. We all run on power. I mean, it's not just plugging in your cell phone or turning on your TV, it's communications with each other. I mean, it's so critical. I wanted to be part of that.
My name is Tony Wooten. I'm the Human Resources Manager here at Prolec GE Waukesha, and I've been with the company 9 years. One thing that I wish everyone knew about working here is the product that we manufacture and the influence that it has on everybody's everyday life. A lot of people don't realize, but our product is at the forefront of everything from people being able to receive surgery on time and power utilized to do that, to just everyday living.
I'm Meredith Adams.
I'm Brandis Freeman.
I'm Lena Chauncey. I'm the Purchasing Manager at Prolec GE Waukesha in Goldsboro, North Carolina, and I've been here 31 years.
You know, I've made some great friendships here. I've been very fortunate to meet some of my best friends, you know, and there are women in this workplace just like I am. You know, they came here, they knew nothing about manufacturing, so it's a great place to grow and great for this community. It's a great organization to be a part of.
I'm in a male-dominated profession. Logistics, warehousing, you usually don't see a lot of women, especially in leadership positions. But I could tell right away, even from the interview process, that they weren't concerned with that piece. They were concerned with my knowledge and ability to lead the organization. And I was able to be brought in as part of the team. And I've never felt at any point that my experience and my knowledge or my input was seen any differently than any of my coworkers.
Hello, my name is Amber Fofana. I'm the infrastructure leader for Prolec GE Waukesha, and I've been with the organization a little over 2 years. You feel like you matter. No matter if you're on the shop floor, no matter if you're in administration, everyone gets treated equally, and there's just a lot of inclusion, just a lot of inclusion, a lot of openness and willingness to help and understanding of different situations and flexibility as well. Your input matters. You're just not a number or an ID badge. Like, you're a human and you get treated as such, and it just feels good to be in an organization where everyone is treated fairly and equally, and also always looking to improve processes. They're always reaching out to end users and asking. It's a very collaborative and inclusive organization, and there's not many of those around.
My name is Lucia. I am a shop floor dispatcher. I've been with the company since October, about 7 months now. January, they offered me a class with WCTC, the campus here, technical campus for Waukesha. And they paid for a class that I took for a semester that helped me understand how the transformers work and how they help everyone. I wish they knew how comfortable it is to be here. You know, it is a positive environment. People are very nice. They're very supportive. It's just, I don't know, I like it. I've been here for 8 months and I like it. I love it. I see myself being here for a while.
I am Sarah Kennedy, the accounting leader at Prolec GE Waukesha. I was hired before I'd completed my degree, so I came in very, very green. My immediate supervisor has always kind of like pushed me into roles and to try new things, even if it wasn't, you know, a career move that moved me up the ladder, but just to gain more experience. Sometimes, you know, you move laterally just to learn new things as well. So in my professional growth, I mean, it's been huge. One of the company values is to, you know, strive for excellence in everything that we do. And I think that the company does a good job of setting their employees up for that. They kind of set them up for success. So they make sure that you have the tools and the resources that you need to do your job and do your job well. They like when you ask questions, you know, let's not just do it because we've always done it that way before. Let's try to improve on a process. So I think that they do a good job, not only, you know, within each department, but executive level. The team down in Monterey does a great job as well, taking those new ideas and helping the company to move forward.
If I need to describe my experience working at Prolec in one word, I will say hope.
Remarkable.
And rewarding.
Awesome.
Fun.
Energizing.
Trustworthiness.
Joyful.
Roller coaster.
Family.
Collaboration.